In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a Google Drive account on a computer. By the end, you'll have a brand new Google account and access to Google Drive for storing and sharing your files in the cloud. Start by opening your preferred web browser and going to www.google.com/drive. This is Google's official Drive page, and it's the quickest path to getting set up. On that page, click Go to Google Drive. You'll be taken to the sign-in screen. At the bottom of that page, select Create Account. When prompted, choose for myself if this is a personal account, or to manage my business if you're setting it up for work. The business option gives you tools tailored to organizations, but both will let you use Drive. Next, enter your first and last name. This is how your name will appear across Google services. Then choose a username for your Google account. This becomes your Gmail address and what you'll use to sign in, so pick something professional and easy to remember. If your first choice is taken, Google will suggest alternatives. Create a strong password and confirm it. Aim for a long passphrase with a mix of letters, numbers, and symbols to keep your account secure. When you're ready, click Next. You'll be asked to enter a phone number for verification. This helps confirm it's really you and can also be used later for account recovery. Type in your number, click Next, and watch for the verification code sent to your phone. Enter that code when it arrives. If you don't see it right away, give it a moment and ensure your device has a signal. Follow the prompts to add a recovery email if you'd like. This is optional but helpful if you ever forget your password. You'll also enter your birthday and gender, which are used for account personalization and security checks. Click Next, and you'll see Google's privacy and terms. Take a moment to review the key points about how your data is used. Then click I agree to continue. That's it. Your Google account is created, and Google Drive is ready to use. You should now be in Drive, where you can upload files, create folders, and access your documents from any device by signing in with your new account. If you're new to the interface, look for My Drive on the left to see your files and the new button to add content. If this video helped, please like, subscribe, and share. Thanks for watching.